There are two very useful functions on this particular cash register, one being the Clerk Interrupt. The Clerk Interrupt speeds up bar transactions substantially. To give you an example, barman 1 signs on and rings up 3 drinks. He then turns around to go and speak to the customer. In the meantime, barman 2 now comes along and needs to work on the till, but he sees barman 1 has rung up items without cashing it off. All he needs to do is to simply log on, and the cash register will then take barman's 1 transaction and put it on hold. So barman 2 can now ring up what he needs to ring up. Barman 2 now hasn't finished his transaction and barman 1 comes along and signs on. It takes barman's 2's transaction, puts it on hold, and brings up barman's 1 transaction from where he left off. Now barman 1 can simply cash off and the sale's finished. Barman 2 now comes along and signs on, brings up his transaction, and he can cash off immediately. This eliminates the need for barman to wait for another barman to finish placing an order before he can ring up his order. Another useful feature on this cash register is the facility to print bills while the table's is open and has been processed. To give an example, I'm going to sign on and I will open up table 20. I will then ring up a few items and I will then save it on the till. Now I'm going to open up table 30 and I'm going to ring up a few items, but all of a sudden, while I'm ringing the items up, I need to print out table 20's bill. Now I don't want to place the order yet because I haven't finished processing everything, and if I place the order, it all goes off to the kitchen. So all I need to do is simply enter the table number, which is 20, press receipt. It'll print out a receipt for me, which I can now give to the next waiter to give to the customer, and it hasn't cashed off my table. So I can still carry on processing my order.